Absolutely. Yeah, you can come by the office. Yeah, come by, come by. We're always ready. Look forward to meeting you. Bye-bye. So this is a shared office. But it seems like everybody thinks that I'm the fucking maid. Like it's my job to clean up behind everybody in this office.
If I'm focusing on getting deals and closing deals, that does not include cleaning the office. I mean, personally, I don't think that's even my job. That's the way I see it.
All right, guys, we gotta clean this up. This is looking horrible in here.
I wanted my water bottle station, and I couldn't put it in my drawer. I had to put it in the trash can. Like, what is that? Okay, it is what it is. I'm gonna comply. I'm gonna comply.
My favorite part about cleaning is playing basketball. You see how well I clean with basketball in my hand.
Hey, Mr. Taylor. Oh, you can't make it today? Well, what can you make it here then? All right. We'll see you tomorrow then. It's not a problem. Bye-bye. The best thing you can do, say you have a client, get all these idiots to do their piece, and then all of a sudden the client no longer needs to show up. But I've got a clean office.